Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Facebook birthday notifications. If you're not receiving Facebook birthday notifications of your friends, then here's how to fix it. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up your Facebook application on your smartphone. I'm using Android in today's video. Now once you're logged into your Facebook, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, tap on the gear button at the upper right hand corner and then under preferences, select notifications. Under what notifications you receive, select birthdays. Now turn on the button right next to allow notifications from Facebook. Once you turn on these notifications, you'll be able to see several options beneath. You can choose where you'd like to receive these birthday notifications. You can choose by enabling the button right here. You can also receive notifications for upcoming birthdays or belated birthdays. Turn on the toggle right next to your choice. And once you do that, next time you'll receive notifications whenever there is someone's birthday on your Facebook friends list. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.